Hi, I'm Mokshita. I'm part of PwC and I drive the TMT sector for the firm. I have been engrossed in innovation for the firm in India, and our solution is a cybersecurity solution for the modern day generative AI solutions in the market. So it helps us to create a layer of AI guardrails around all the LLM applications that are there today, and enterprises can use it modularly as per their own needs because we have a 5 layer modular solution security stack.
I'm Manpreet, the Chief Digital Officer at PwC, and I lead the TMT sector, the tech, media, and telecom sector for the firm as well. We all know AI has had a very busy year, and just about every C suite has kind of rekindled their imagination in what AI means in terms of future of business, how their business models will shift, and a lot of activity has happened in the market. But one thing that's pulled the euphoria away has been the constant concern that the threat vectors around AI are constantly expanding and it's difficult to cope up. And that really was the piece that inspired us saying, how can we leverage a progressive thinking by bringing in AI to solve the cyber issues attached with AIs and LLMs that begin to integrate with the business? And that was the challenge I gave back to the community of solvers and innovators at PwC. And they came up with a brilliant solution called Cyber Secure Gen AI. And here we are with it.
So when we started building a prototype, it was back in May 2023, the need that we identified. But back then, there was no standard available in the market. OS Top 10 came up in August 2023. So starting with, say, no or very little standards around the LLM applications and LLM solution security was a little bit of challenge, but that helped us design our framework better. And today, our solution is also able to provide security to OWASP Top 10 risks as well. We see a huge potential of AI solution across the industry sectors, verticals, and all the LLM applications, right? So any company, any individual, or any organization who's trying to adopt generative AI or is trying to adopt LLM in their ecosystem, they need to have a responsible AI framework around it. So our solution acts as a wrapper to all the LLM applications out there and helps protect LLM applications from unwanted risks be that can be there. I would say three things that we followed at PwC. A, that keep innovating. So with every emerging technology, we try to innovate, we try to brainstorm and ideate to see whether it's something relevant for the firm or not. Second, we embrace the change. And when we embrace the change, we experiment. We enable the organization and we enable its employees to upskill themselves and be ready for the next change. And third is keeping the responsible AI framework, keeping the responsible framework in place, right? As an organization, it is our duty to make sure that whatever we are bringing to the market is also building a trust in our consumers and our customers.